All right, let's take a look at this expression. 9 minus 5 gives us 4, and again, inside this parenthesis, we have 9 minus 5. So 4 multiplied by 4 is just 16. But wait, oh wow, this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we handle parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. And remember, multiplication and division share the same priority. Addition and subtraction also share the same priority. And for both, we always work from left to right. Now in this expression, we have 1 subtraction, 1 multiplication, and 1 parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, just 1 subtraction. And this multiplication is here because in math, when a number is placed right next to a parenthesis, it means multiplication, even if we don't write the multiplication sign. So according to PEMDAS, we must do first the parenthesis, then the multiplication, and only after that the subtraction. If we try to subtract before multiplying or before doing the parenthesis, oh no, that is completely wrong. So let's do it the right way. Inside the parenthesis, 9 minus 5 equals 4. So now our expression becomes 9 minus 5 times 4. Now we have 1 subtraction and 1 multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So first we must multiply. 5 times 4 gives us 20. So now we have 9 minus 20. 9 minus 20 equals negative 11. And that is our final answer. The correct answer is negative 11. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next tricky question.